Hey, family. I'm trying not to sneeze because this season, the lobsters is going good, y'all. And my little inbox people in my phone call came in today. They say, I be posting them videos like I can cook. Girl, I cook enough to keep a man and not have to try to be with somebody else one. I cook enough, I can tell you that much. Look at there. Look at there. Look at that. And show ain't my friend man, see what I'm talking about? And that's how they get in a little conversation, always gossiping with somebody, always calling with something. Look at them shrimps. Oh yeah, baby, Mama Bear can cook. Can cook. My husband very satisfied in all departments. Cause ain't no man showing no woman that they come home to and they got to cook all the time. And they sure ain't coming home to beauty because that don't even exist in that department for her. And come talking about my cooking, that don't even exist. See that? This is what you do. You get you some water. You boil it first, then you put your corn in. You get you some more water. You add your season first. You put your crab ball, crawfish ball, whatever you want to do your lobsters with, and your butter, your whatever, however you want them. And you put that in there, girl. You get you another pot. Turn your new stove on. And you put your shrimps and stuff in there. And you put some seasoning in there. You boil this water here for about 20 minutes, 25 minutes, however your stove is. Then you dump your crawfish in there or your crabs, whatever you have. That's how you do it. That's how you do it. So don't ever say nothing about no Mama Bear can't cook. Then you take them, you put them in. Then you let them go. 2, 3, 4, 5. What y'all doing today? 6, 7, 8. And usually they be bigger than this here. 9. But Kroger's didn't have them huge ones. 10, 11, and 12. I'm gonna cook all these suckers. I don't feel like going for like 13, 14, 15, 16. That's a lot. 17, 18, and 19. So 19. So they gonna go. So now y'all gotta put this over here. Girl, you just let that boil. And you sit back, but make sure before you start doing all this here, that old synthetic wig, take that wig off before that heat it up. If you want to save that and put that back on. Oh, I forgot. Sure, they don't take their wig off. But if you was a real woman that take your wig off, you take your wig off and you get to smoking with this here. Because this smoke here frees up a human or synthetic wig with all this smoke. If I have mine on, I let it stay on because, see, I don't worry about all that craziness with the wigs and all of that. I just get to cooking. I get to cooking. I get to cooking. And y'all guys, when y'all meet these women, y'all make sure y'all ask them could they cook. And check them heads. Make sure them women have some kind of hair on their head. See if that's what you want to wake up to. All that makeup and stuff that people be putting up on. And then you see them women without all that, you be like, damn. Oh, Lord. Well, damn. I got to laugh. What our friends told me. He had seen this woman's head. When they got in the bed till the wig fell off. And when that stuff fell out, he didn't know what was coming out of his head. He heard say his mama was sick and got out of there. And that said, you didn't have to do that. But that's when you're clogging them wigs up on your head so much. Making you have all that dandruff and stuff. I know sometimes the men want to rub their hand through that good hair. That silky hair. I know they want to rub it through there. What man wouldn't want to rub their hand through some good silky hair sometime. Even if their hair kinky, they still like it. Ain't no man crazy about no wigs. I can tell you that. They might tell you that, but they ain't crazy about no damn wigs. Every man want a woman that can put their hair. My husband don't care, but he always tell me when I met him, don't you ever feel pressured that you gotta change anything. Just be yourself. He always told me that. Be yourself. Whatever you like to do, you do it. Don't stop doing nothing because me and you married. Whatever you was doing, continue. He know I don't like a lot of makeup. He don't care for it. He don't mind if you wear it or don't. I like to put on my little eyeshadow. Excuse me. Every now and then I like to put on my little eyelashes. But I'm just to the point now. When I used to go places and stuff like that out in Louisiana, we used to stay with stuff on like that, going to the casinos and stuff. But girl, I'm home half of the time. I ain't doing all of that stuff. I feel beautiful without it. I ain't got to do all that. I'm so happy that I'm confident in my own self. Y'all got to get confident in your own self. And then you'll feel good. Not seeing these women hair. Not knowing how they look. And then you put all them girdles on. Don't you know when you take all that out, all that stuff just fall all over the place like a busted biscuit? So you might as well just be comfortable in your own skin. Too many people not. They worry about how this one look, how that one look. Everybody got a different form of body. Everybody. Nobody is shaped alike. Just be proud of what you got. People killing. They said we had 2 more girls. One from Dallas that stayed in Memphis, went down there to Mexico, to Taiwan, and they never came back home. One of them sick, and the other one they're not expecting to be alive. Them surgeries dangerous. Because like I always tell people, you're going to get them, go to a doctor that's certified and know what they're doing. Stop going to them cheap doctors where you can get everything done for $7,500 and all that. That ain't no good doctor. If it's that cheap, it ain't right. That's why I eat what I want. I enjoy my exercise, y'all. I go 3 days a week. I'm doing a different experience now. I'm in kickboxing, street fighting, and that's tough. I learned how to protect myself with a gun, a knife. I'm learning all of that. And I'm doing good. I got 2 more classes to take. And it was tough. That month of training was tough. But it's something you'll never forget. But every woman should know all of that. Because y'all all leaving out the house. People can catch you in your garage. You got to know how to back somebody off of you. And I didn't want to be on the road and not knowing what could happen. Traveling to Louisiana, you don't know what could happen. I'm coming across that bridge by myself. I had to be careful. That's why I got in the class. I got in the class for my protection. And I mean, I didn't know my body could do that. I'm 56 years old and I didn't know I had a hard kick. That I had a strong kick out of this world. Because they show you how to do it. They show you how to take people down. They show you that you could be 500 pounds and don't you know a 120-pound person could take you down off your feet with the right move? Shh. The stuff I was like, damn, that big girl gonna tear that little woman up. Shit. That little woman ate that big girl up. That's why I say don't go by that. I learned a lot. And y'all buying all these guns and don't know what you're doing. I mean, go get some training. Get your concealed carry. And the concealed carry, that'll make you take a class. Make you take a class and then you conceal carry. Shouldn't be no concealed carry just because you bought a weapon. That's not right. They need to change the laws, a lot of that stuff. I took my class. I'm still learning a lot of that. Because I don't like weapons. I don't like weapons. I only have to do that because of safety purpose. I hate having weapons. I don't like that. Those kids will get a hold to that stuff and then you got a problem. Everything coming out fine. Especially y'all brown people. Y'all like to leave them weapons unlocked. Y'all showing off on social media with them weapons. Them children see them weapons. And them children like to play with all that now. That's what's going on in the world. The children playing with them weapons. And it's causing people lives. Put them weapons up. Put them up. Look at here, y'all. Look how beautiful. And so you can tell they cook. You see when they come apart like that and they start coming through, that's how you know they cooked. Then you just soak them up in that butter. Look how pretty, y'all. Tell me that ain't a boss. Tell me that ain't a boss. That's what it is. Brenda Teal 911. I'm post this on YouTube.